Hello children, welcome to today's English class. Children, in the previous class we have learned the lesson all birds cannot fly. Okay, you understood children in this lesson? Yes. Today in this class we have learned the new poem, second poem, The Little Duckling. The poem name is what children? The Little Duckling. Okay, see your textbook, page number 33. Page number 33, poem The Little Duckling. So, in this lesson, given some riddles, two riddles. I tell the riddles, tell me the answer children. Okay, solve these riddles. Whether there is a rain or not, I am always green. Whether there is a rain or not, I am always green. I never use a lipstick, my lips are red. I can speak like human beings, who am I? Which word children? Can you guess? Yes? It is one of the bird. Which bird children? It is one of the bird. Which bird? Yes, parrot. This is a parrot. So, whether there is rain or not, I am always green. I never use the lipstick. My lips are red. I can speak like human being. Who am? Yes, very good, parrot. Next, second one. I am a bird, but I can't fly. I am a bird, but I can't fly. I can swim. I live in the Antarctic. I am black and white in color. I am black and white in color. I lay a single egg. I lay a single egg in a season. Who am I? This is also one of the bird. In the last class we have seen this bird. We have seen this picture, this bird children, and told about this bird. Yes or no? Yes. This is the which bird? Tell me. Penguins. Yes, very good. Penguins. Penguins. Tell me spelling. P-E-N-G-U-I-N-S. Penguin. Okay. These two birds. This is one of the riddles. Okay. Hogatu. In Kannada, Hogatu. Next, let us move on the second poem, The Little Duckling. First, I will read the poem. Okay. Before start the poem, I will introduce some new words. Okay. Once again, we want to learn some new words. New words. First one, new words. Pleased. Pleased. What is the meaning of pleased children? Happy. Go through your book. See the page number 37. Pleased means what? Yes. Happy. Heavy. Heavy means what children? Yes. Not light. Not light. Or another one meaning having great weight. Having great weight. Having great weight. Okay. And third one, handsome. Handsome. What is the meaning of handsome? Yes, looking so good. Good looking. Good looking is known as handsome. Looking good or good looking. while drowning in water. Water ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. Glue. Hat. The clock. The box. Comb. Yes. Cock have one type of comb is known as a hat. Okay. See. I will read the poem. Listen children. Once again I will read the poem. The little duckling sees a peacock. What a beautiful tail. I want a beautiful tail too. Suddenly the little duckling has a big beautiful peacock's tail. The little duckling is very pleased. The little duckling sees a flamingo. What a beautiful legs. I want beautiful legs too. Suddenly the little duckling has long, thin pink legs. The little duckling is very pleased. The little duckling sees an eagle. The little duckling sees an eagle. What a beautiful wing. I want beautiful wings too. Suddenly the little duckling has big brown wing. The little duckling is very pleased. The little duckling sees a cock. What a beautiful hat. I want a beautiful hat too. Suddenly the little duckling has a big red handsome hat. The little duckling is very pleased. All the little ducklings went swim in the river. The little duckling says, stop, wait for me. And he jumps into the river. But his peacock's tail is very heavy. His big brown wings are heavy. His long thin pink legs cannot swim. His handsome red hat is very heavy and he can't breathe. Glug, glug, glug. I want a little duckling's tail and a little duckling's legs and wings. And I don't want a hat. Suddenly the little duckling can swim and he can swim very well. Soon he is with his friends. This is one of the beautiful poem. So he has a imagine. Okay, the little duckling sees a peacock. The little duckling, yes, the little duckling sees a peacock. What a beautiful tail. I want a beautiful tail too. Suddenly the little duckling has a big beautiful peacock's tail. The little duckling is very pleased. See here, can you see this picture? What is this children? Yes, this is a little duckling. This is a little duckling. See in your textbook, this is a little duckling. Ducks are very small. Ducks are very small. Ducks have a shorter neck. The ducks have a shorter necks and wings and short body. Wings and short body. All body baby ducks are called a duckling. Yes, baby ducks are called chikka marigalige enantare duckling. Okay, see in this first stanza, once upon a time what happened to the little duckling? The little duckling was swimming in the pond. Once upon a time the little duckling swimming in the pond. The little duckling sees a peacock. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಿಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ the little duckling sees a peacock. Peacock is a beautiful bird. Can you see a peacock children? Yes, peacock is a beautiful bird. It has beautiful tail. Tail means feathers. So it has a beautiful tail. It attracts the people. Tails, peacock tails attract the people. Yes or no children? Yes. And what a beautiful tail. What a beautiful. See, after seeing a peacock, duckling said, after seeing a peacock ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನು ಅನಿಸ್ತು ಡಕ್ಲಿಂಗ್ಗೆ? ವಾವ್, ವಾಟ್ ಅ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಟೇಲ್, ಎಂಥ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಟೇಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಅ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಟೇಲ್, ನನಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಆ ಥರ ಟೇಲ್ ಬೇಕು. ಟು So suddenly the duckling has a big beautiful tail. Suddenly the duckling has a big beautiful tail. So as soon as the desire, anything if you desire, anything if you desire, as a plate of, imagine, you can imagine the duckling, ಅದು ಊಹೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ನನಗೂ ಟೇಲ್ ಬಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ತಾನೇ ಖುಷಿಯನ್ನು ಪಡ್ತು. ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್? ಲಿಟಲ್ ಡಕ್ಲಿಂಗನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತು ಪಾಂಡ್ ಹತ್ರ. ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನಂತು, ಡಕ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತು, ಪಿಕಾಕನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಟೇಲನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತು, ಆ ಫೆದರ್ಸನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತು, ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಫೆದರ್ಸನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನನಗೂ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ತಿತ್ತು, ನಾನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ನನಗೂ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಈಗ ನೀವೇನಾದರೂ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಿರಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ರಾಜ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗಿರ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, ಆ ಥರ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಓ ನನಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅದೇ ತಾನು ದ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಡಕ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ಡ್. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ children? Yes, happy. The duckling have imagined to happy. The little duckling is very pleased. Pleased means what? Yes, happy. Okay, peacock duckling said, what a beautiful tail, I want a beautiful tail too. As soon as you desire anything, if you desire, as plate of pani puri or a plate of gobi manchuri, immediately it's appear. How do you feel? Yes, wow. You will jump and run towards the plate to eat. ಓಕೆ, ಏನಾದರೂ ಪಾನಿಪುರಿ ಗೋಬಿ ಬಂದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಓಡೋಗ್ತೀರಾ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಹತ್ರ, ಬೇಗ ತಿಂತೀರಾ. ಎಸ್, ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಡಕ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್. Like that, the duckling has as soon as the imagine, the tail appear. Okay, the duckling got a peacock tail. The duckling got a peacock tail. Now, so the little duckling is very pleased. The little duckling is very pleased. ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತು, ನನಗೆ ಡಕ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪೀಕಾಕ್ದು ಟೇಲ್ ಬಂತಂತ ತನಗೆ ತಾನೇ ಖುಷಿಯನ್ನು ಪಡ್ತು. Yes, in the second stanza, the little duckling sees a flamingo. The little duckling sees a flamingo. What a beautiful legs! What a beautiful legs! I want beautiful legs too. I want beautiful legs too. Suddenly the little duckling has long, thin, pink legs. The little duckling is very pleased. See, in the second stanza, suddenly the little duckling sees the flamingo. So, in the second stanza, see the duckling see the what? Flamingo. Flamingo is a bird. Flamingo is also one of the bird, and it wants the beautiful legs, and it wants, yes, beautiful legs. Adikenitu beautiful legs. Flamingo have a beautiful legs. In which color, children? Pink legs. Yes, beautiful legs. Little duckling want the flamingo legs. Little duckling want the flamingo legs. ನನಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಕಾಲು ಬೇಕು, ಫ್ಲೆಮಿಂಗೋ ಥರ ಲೆಗ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಆಸೆಯನ್ನು ಪಡ್ತು. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಸೀಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಫ್ಲೆಮಿಂಗೋ, ದ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಡಕ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಯಾಡ್, ವಾವ್, ವಾಟ್ ಅ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಲೆಗ್ಸ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಸೀಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಡಕ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಯಾಡ್, ವಾಟ್ ಅ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಲೆಗ್ಸ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನು ಅನಿಸ್ತು? ಫ್ಲೆಮಿಂಗೋನ ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಡಕ್ಲಿಂಗ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಇದು ಪಿಂಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಕಾಲು ಲೆಗ್ಸು, ನನಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಥರ ಲೆಗ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಆಸೆಯನ್ನು ಪಡ್ತು. ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಲೆಗ್ಸ್ ಟು. ಸಡನ್ಲಿ ದ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಡಕ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಥಿನ್ ಪಿಂಕ್ ಲೆಗ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದ ಡಕ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ದ ಡಕ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ಡ್, very happy. See, you can imagine, children. Now the little duckling has a beautiful tail. like a peacock. Like a peacock. ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಿಂದ tail ಸಿಕ್ತು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ? Peacock. The little duckling has a beautiful tail like a peacock, legs like a flamingo. How it is look, children? Very nice. The duckling is very nice. Now just to imagine. You also just to imagine, children. Next move to the third stanza. The little duckling sees an eagle. The little duckling sees an eagle. What a beautiful wings. What a beautiful wings. I want beautiful wings too. I want beautiful wings too. Suddenly the little duckling has a big brown wing. Suddenly the little duckling has big brown wings. The little duckling is very pleased. The little duckling is very pleased. See, in this stanza, here suddenly the little duckling has a big brown wings like an eagle. Yaudana noಡ್ತು next? First is seeing the peacock, another flamingo, and then eagle. Yes. Next, see this stanza here. Suddenly the little duckling has a big brown wings like an eagle. Eagle fly very high. Eagle fly in the sky. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಹಳ ಎತ್ತರಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾರುತ್ತೆ eagle. Very high in the sky. So the little duckling wants wings like an eagle. Now duckling has a big brown wings. See, imagine, children. Yes. duckling ಗೆ ಯಾವುದ್ರದ್ದು ವಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು? ಈಗಲ್ದು ವಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತು ನನಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದಾಗ ನಾನು ಹೇಗೆ ಕಾಣ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ. Yes, imagine. Now again little duckling having peacock tail. Now yes, now little duckling having peacock tail and then flamingo legs and eagle wings. What a beautiful duckling, no children? Yes, eagle wings, then what happens? Yes, very beautiful for duckling. So in next stanza I will continue next class. You can understand, children? You also once again read these 3 stanza poem. Okay? Yes, in the next class I will teach the another 4th stanza. The little duckling see a cow. Okay? What about next? I will see the next class. Okay? Thank you, children.